Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I am back with another project share. Um, a while back I had made these shaker pockets. And they're really good for giving like Happy Mail to people, or you can just, it doesn't even have to be mail. You can just like package it up nicely. It's really cute because it has the pocket in the front is a shaker pocket, so you can fill it with whatever shaker bits you want to put, and in the back you can put in whatever paper you want to put. You can make it any size you want. There's a tutorial by Disco Dolly, which I will link down below, and it's a great way for using up like the papers, maybe not necessarily scraps, but papers that like you still like, but maybe you don't have a lot of the collection already, or you're tired of the collection. So I've been trying to do a lot of cleaning up, and while I was cleaning up, I found a drawer full of like scraps or larger scraps. So I have other plans. I've been working on some of these. I'll show you some more in another video. These are just the Valentine's Day ones that I came up with. I did a whole bunch of blanks, which I'll explain in the next video. And then I have plans to try and make other stuff with it, just to start using it up. So still trying to use up my stash. Okay, so anyway, it's a really cool way to package stuff up. I haven't put like the Velcro on yet, but usually you'll put Velcro. You can even round the corners if you want to. Earlier I had shared a Valentine's embellishment or die cut video where I started to like die cut some of the stuff, so I just used whatever I had already prepped. But look how cute that is, and it shakes so nicely. And I was super happy to find like a whole box of the, or a whole package of the sheet protectors that I've been looking for. My husband was asking me for some, and then I thought I couldn't find it, and now I found it. So it's a wonder what you find when you clean up your room, right? Okay, so this one has a shaker on here, and then it has the shaker pocket. And I don't know, this is like really old Valentine's Day paper, but I think it came out cute. Okay, so that one I didn't really make it like kawaii looking. I just kept it standard Valentine's Day with like the red, pink, and black. Same with this one. And then this one, I did add the pom pom pudding because he's carrying a little heart. And then this one is more like doodle bug, so it's more kawaii looking. And I was explaining, I don't think I shared it here, but I was explaining to my husband when I was making my shaker fillers, I figured out something, and I think it's kind of cool actually. So I started with something like this. So it's like, you know, pink, red, and white, and mostly hearts, but other fillers, right? And then as I, you know, started changing my papers, I added, like this one I added in blue, right? So now it's the same mix, but I added in blue so I can use it and it'll match this better. So it actually kind of helps, like if you plan out your project and you have like similar colors, it makes it a lot easier. So you start with the ones that are more basic, right? And then after you're done doing those, then you can add in like the additional colors. So it's kind of neat actually, and saves you a lot of time. This is another red one that I did. I think, yeah, so this one was also like this, where I filled in with the blue because it has the blue background. So this is another doodlebug paper. This is the it was actually like a heart with a little hook on it, so you could use it as a hanging tag, but I ended up putting I cut that off, and then I just glued on the Hello Kitty cabochon next to it. So cute. And this is cutie. Okay, and then these are more like bright colors, not as much red in there. So this one is a sprinkled with love sentiment. I did add the My Melody right in the middle. She has a heart that says love, so cute. And then I added the conversation hearts on the side. And then this one has the I think this might be an old Simple Stories collection, if I'm correct, remembering correctly. Okay, and then I did make like a Valentine's Day conversation heart or sweetheart mix. So it has like the same kind of colors like that's in the paper. It's a lot of hearts, but it's more like kind of pastel, more bright colors. These two are the same paper, so I used the same mix. But this one I added in the leftover pieces into there, and I had to make sure that they're facing up, because if it flips over, then it's gonna be just white. so I had to like put them in carefully before I sewed up everything. But I think it came out really cute. And then for the top, this one is just crafty. I didn't want to put any like Hello Kitty on it just in case I give it to someone who's not into that kind of stuff. And then this one was the pre-made embellishment I had already made, and then it does have the Hello Kitty on that one. And then the last one is this one I added in one of the cut aparts inside here, like it's glued to the back sheet, so it's not going to interfere with the shaker bits, but I thought that was another cute way of embellishing it. And then this one, I added in the gold heart, and then love always, and I added the pom pom pudding. So anyway, now I have like a stash, definitely for Valentine's Day. But I did make some more that I'll be sharing in the next video that are not embellished yet, but they're the pockets that I already completed. Okay, that's all I have for this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!